Hello and welcome to spring 2023. Apparently, algae will spring up anywhere, even 5 feet down a hole you dig that gets water in it. You can even see the flow of where the water's coming from over on this edge to over there where I'm pumping it away. I really need to undig my pump at this point. Um, anyway, this is, of course, the tank um, hole that I will be. I'm going to let this sucker fill up with water one of these days when it gets warm again. Um, had a couple nice days, so it is spring, but it's still cold. It's raining and cold today, so I'm staying inside. Yes. I will be letting this fill up itself. Take the pump out. Let it fill up a good couple feet. Then I'm going to grab my egg beater paint mixer and the drill. Gonna stir the bottom. And once it's all nice and liquefied and loose, I will pull that pump back down in it and suck all that mud right out. So that's the plan, to get that stuff that's falling around the edges to go bye-bye, so that I can put in pipe, drill holes, pipe, make a nice circle all the way around it, fill the middle in with rock, level it up, and then cement a nice floor over the top of everything. So that needs to be done as soon as possible. But the water down there is really cold, so I'm going to wait till it's 100 degrees in the greenhouse again, like it was just the other day when the sun was out. Right now it's only 50. Yeah, so not going in the cold water on a cold day. Anyway, that's the tank update. And this year, what I'm going to try and do is update each thing individually, shorter videos, and all that, so that people actually maybe start to watch me. Anyway, thank you for having an interest in this 2,000-gallon tank that I'm trying to build, and all the trials and tribulations of water infiltrating it and still trying to get down to my level that I want to be at, so that it does the function that it's supposed to do. If you are not familiar, the function of this will be to regulate the heat in this greenhouse. As you can see, it's a 20 by 20 monstrosity of things that I built out of pallets. And I got all kinds of stuff growing in here already, and we're doing well. But the tank is going to be very important. It will be a heat sink, heat releaser, and I'll have different ways to pump water around so that it does that most efficiently. Okay, yeah, so that dirt pile still needs to go bye-bye. I'm making clay and taking it off as I need right now. I'll probably have to move the whole pile somewhere pretty soon, so that I can get in here with the cement mixer and all that stuff. So anyway, that's the total story. That should get you going. If you haven't been here before, this is a big tank. It's going to have a lot of exciting features. Hope you watch us. Goodbye.